What's up, guys? We're here in JPM. We're doing mini number one for the 11-12 Cup case break. Top five are going to win here. We're going to go down here and go live. We are live at 3:09. It's 3:09. We're going to go get a new list here. So we got Mr. Marty on top and Marty on the bottom. Marty on top. Sorry, Marty on top, Kyle on the bottom. That's what I meant. Marty, Kyle. No spaces in between. We're going to go 3 times. Good luck, everybody. 1, 2 times. After 2, our timestamp is at 3:10. It is 3:10. Third and final time, guys. Good luck, everybody. Top 5 are going to win. We got Grant, Bobby, Grant, Eric, and Marty that take the win. And that is then at 3:10. It is 3:10, guys. I'm going to copy and paste the top 5 here. Go on over to the numbers. So Grant, you have LA, Bobby, Vancouver, Grant, the Islanders, Eric, the Ducks, and Buffalo. Marty, you got him.